Solar batteries have long been regarded as the missing link in solar installations. We all know that installing solar on your roof is a great way to reduce rising energy costs, but a solar system alone will only produce energy during sunlight hours, meaning you need to purchase energy from the grid at night to power your home. By installing a solar battery, you can now store the excess energy your panels produce to use when your home needs it most. You might be thinking, sounds great, but how does it all work? It's simple. The energy your solar produces is supplied directly to your home during the day as needed. From there, any excess energy you're generating will be sent to your solar battery to store and will be available for use at night. When your battery's full, the excess energy your solar system produces will be sent to the grid, earning you credits on your energy bill. When the sun goes down and your panels have stopped producing energy, your battery will automatically kick in and use the energy it has stored to power your home. And, or when that is empty, it will use energy from the grid. Now, when choosing a solar battery, it's important to choose one that fits in with how you use energy. The two main factors to consider when selecting a solar battery are blackout protection and capacity of the battery. More regular blackouts mean that the energy grid can't keep up with the increased demand. By installing a battery fitted with blackout protection, you can power your own way through a blackout and not feel the effects of the grid outage. The other major factor to consider is the size of the battery. If your house doesn't typically use a lot of energy, you may not need a large capacity battery. It's important when selecting a battery that you can use as much of it as possible. Don't wait. Utilise your roof space and go solar today.